evening from Epcot. We promised we'd be back to do Festival of the Holidays, and we're back to do Festival of the Holidays. It's gonna mostly be probably like food tasting. I know Festival of the Holidays also includes candlelight processional. Living with the Land is amazing, but I'm not sure we're gonna be able to get over there. I don't want to rush eating, and I think it closes at 7. So we can go check. I'm not sure if we'll be able to make it over there, but mostly I'll show you guys the merch and a lot of food. So let's go. I love how they never ever change the decorations. Ever.
They're always the same.
Yeah. I do have to say the signs when you walk in, when you walk through the parking lot, right? They're like white signs with yellow font. Like you can't even read it. I don't know who thought that was a good idea. So I think our first stop is gonna be Shanghai. Get some egg rolls. All right, here's the first stop. We are getting the pork egg rolls. Very similar prices to food and wine. Guys, look at the sky tonight. I don't know if, oh, there it is. See, look at it. Beautiful. We got 2 egg rolls. I was going to say it better be 2 because like at Yak and Yeti, they're like $4 for 2.
Well, yeah, and
so,
if they weren't, I would have gone to just a quick service.
Yeah.
Side order.
I wonder if these are different. Are these different from the quick service?
I don't know. They're pork and vegetable. I feel like that's the same one.
Let's see. Inside with the sunset. Yes. You like them? Is it good?
With the temple in the background.
And yeah, it's just like Yak and Yeti's.
Yeah.
A good $4.
Yeah.
Alyssa was gonna walk away without even marking it in the book. How dare she? Woohoo! Oh, it's cute. It's adorable. Next stop, Germany. Crying child. All right, the next stand.
Same exact name.
Okay, I'm gonna get it from this side. I'm getting the cheese fondue. Yay. Where did Alyssa go? Right there. These stands are much more festive than Shanghai's. Did Shanghai have any decoration? Do they have lights maybe?
I think they had
Lights,
lights.
yeah. Doesn't this look amazing? It's just like a bread bowl of cheese. That's like life. What's yours? Yours doesn't look very good.
Pork schnitzel.
Oh.
I love it. It's my favorite thing in the beer garden.
Really?
Yeah. But I usually don't have it with this mushroom sauce.
Mushroom sauce is awesome. Is it good? Even with the sauce? What does the sauce taste like? Mushrooms. I'm so excited for this. Oh my god. It's not as good as I thought it was.
Oh no. Fondue, no.
It's not like very smooth.
Oh, it's not smooth?
The cheese has like a really strong bite to it.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I don't feel like they need to give you this much either.
Yeah, that's like a lot.
Yeah. I just dipped some on my foot. I'll be back. Now my feet are gonna smell like cheese. Alyssa's gonna try it. Let's see what she thinks.
Interesting.
It's not bad, but it's just like not what you think it's gonna taste like.
Well, no, and they really don't need to give you that much.
Yeah, this is such a waste. so sad.
Here's a double dip.
It's okay. Ooh, I have really bright light right now on my face. I would like to say that the bread, the fondue with the potato, the one potato that I got, it was good with the potato. I feel like it offset the taste a little bit. But we both agree that the bread bowl should be smaller and they should just give you more chunks of bread. Because I can't really eat this. The cheese is going to go all over. So that was kind of a waste of $8. Yikes.
Get that sticker.
What is this? We're in Germany. The sticker's a nutcracker. I should have guessed that. Here it is. Goodness. Got it. Alrighty. Here it goes.
There it is. Woohoo, Germany!
The China one was cuter.
Yeah.
Look at the tree over there. We are making our way to Italy.
Yay!
And they have some Christmas decorations up, but not all of it has lights in it. Which is kind of weird since the sun sets very early. But this is where we're going to get a lot of food. Can't wait. I really missed that ravioli from Food and Wine. That was so good. Oh wow, there's like no line. When is there ever not a line in Italy? What? We're getting the Italian flatbread, right? Do you want this? And this one? The penne?
Yeah, sure.
Is that it? That's what you want? Okay, cool. That's what we'll get. Okay, so I guess we're not getting a ton. We're getting two things, but these are the two things that we wanted really bad.
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you getting anything sweet tonight?
I'm still waiting.
You're still waiting? All of the cookies on the cookie stroll I don't like.
Well, like, I don't know. Like, I just would rather, like, get this food than, like, anything sweet.
I need one thing sweet.
Maybe in France.
Oh.
Because they have, like, a chocolate log thing.
Oh, nice. Nice.
This is the stuff we're most excited about. Like, when I saw these, I wanted to come here and get it. So we got this Italian flatbread.
Look at it. We get 2 slices too. Like, perfect. Woohoo.
And then we get this penne pasta. I don't even know what it is.
It looks really good.
Here we go.
Try it. Is it good?
Yeah. Oh my god.
What does it taste like? Is it just like cheese bread, basically?
Yeah, it tastes like just like cheese bread.
Gotcha.
It's so good.
Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and try the pasta. I totally forgot what was on it. What's in the pasta?
I don't know. Is it
That's
good?
It has to be pork. It's like pork. Maybe it's sausage.
Oh wait, what sausage?
Sausage.
Yeah, it was sausage.
It's sausage and it's like an Alfredo sauce. It's so good.
Yeah,
It's so
delicious.
delicious.
Yay!
That's all the holidays.
Woohoo!
These were amazing. Definitely eating all these last bites. I know there's still some food that we're gonna have them gone. What is this sticker?
Like a broom.
A broom? Interesting.
So far, I've liked every single thing.
It's good. Even it's a low quantity, but a high quality. Where I think Food and Wine maybe was borderline high quantity, low quality this year.
For sure.
Yeah.
For sure.
Yummy. Alright, we're walking to America right now. This is the late line for candlelight. It's really not that bad, but it depends how many dinner packages there are. Is that some of those people might not even get into that show. That's pretty long. That's long for standby. Definitely one. I don't know. They don't do that.
Candlelight is the one that's most crowded always.
Oh yeah, because a lot of people do it. It's like tradition. Like they do it every year.
Yeah. It's where like, E to the B is like.
That depends on who's playing.
Yeah.
Yeah, for sure. So I'm gonna see how much this apple pie sundae is because it just sounds like amazing. But I'm not gonna get it if it's over $8. That's my cutoff point. Can you see me at all?
Yeah.
Oh, you can? Okay, so this, I'm sorry, but this took way too long. I was literally like there for like 20 minutes waiting for this. It says apple pie sundae. I thought it was gonna be like apple pie with ice cream on top, but it's like this. We'll see if it's good though. Let's see. It's good.
Okay.
It's good. Actually, it's probably easier to eat in this.
Yeah, that's what they were thinking.
A lot of people were angry because there was no plastic lids.
Ooh.
You're Disney people. Come on.
Plastic lips. Woo. Chloe Bush.
Is Santa over there?
Yeah.
I do want to say that the float that I had at Festival of the Arts, like the artist float or whatever, which is like, I got it from the same stand and it's in the same cup, is 1,000 times better.
Put my sticker on.
She put her sticker on. What is it? A sleigh. Nice. Candlelight guests are going in right now. Yeah. Alyssa never wants to watch Candlelight though. Candlelight's awesome. It's very relaxing and peaceful. My final review on that Sunday was that the ice cream was already melted before like he even handed it to me. And if you already have melted ice cream and then you add warm apple pie, then it's just like soup. So I wouldn't get that if I were you. And I wouldn't get that cheese fondue either. I need to get some good food going here. We gotta go back to Italy. We did skip Japan and Morocco and Lahia. But we are at France right now. A few Christmas decorations up. Not a lot. Alyssa is getting that. Woohoo!
This is gonna be our 7th thing on the gift card.
Yeah, we actually found this gift card in Alyssa's mail. We just randomly found a $50 gift card from a long time ago. So that's what we're using tonight. It is awesome. We haven't paid a cent. Apologies for the darkness.
This is a Christmas log.
I can't really see it.
You can't see it?
It just has a little peppermint chunk on top and chocolate with is it something on the inside?
It's just
Oh gosh.
It's caramel on the inside. And
Oh, caramel.
It's dark chocolate and cake.
Good.
Very rich.
Is it?
I might need some more water.
Okay, here, take it. I love the fountains here. I really think Epcot should be a little more lit. Like, I do like the ambiance of it all. But, like, it's like sometimes you gotta... I can't see anything, you know?
Yeah.
Alright guys, you're welcome. Because we hauled over here. We had 13 minutes. We were in Canada. We were like, I don't need that soup. Let's go and try to get on the land. Because I'm telling you, the land at Christmas time is beautiful.
So awesome.
It's so awesome. So I want to get that all on camera for you guys. We got 5 minutes. We're going to make it. And
we had 8 things at Festival of the Holidays.
Yes.
It was all around $45.
yeah, 8 things, $45. That's awesome. That's so good. And some of the things you got 2 of, like the egg rolls and the pizza. So that's even
I felt like
better.
this stuff was really easy to share.
Oh yeah.
Sometimes the food and wine stuff is hard to share, like a taco. Like it's kind of
Yeah.
hard to share.
Yeah, for sure.
And also, the lines are super short.
Yeah. Oh no, your head. I'm like, oh my god, look at all the people. They all know the Christmas lights are on. Yeah. Alright guys, we made it and we got row 1. I cannot wait to show you all of this stuff. I am only going to start showing in the greenhouses since that's the only difference. So I will see you guys in the greenhouses. Still upset they changed this video. What's the next one? Here at Epcot.
Here at Epcot,
Woohoo!
we're learning to reduce reduce the need for chemical pesticides by breeding and using natural predators
Like ladybugs and wasps.
to control pests. In the farmlands across
I hate when she
America,
says in the. She should just say in farmlands.
containing natural fertilizers, we can enrich the soil without
In
using
semi-arid
chemicals.
regions.
In arid regions,
Oh, arid. I said semi-arid. Oh, just kidding. It's fully arid. Alright guys, here we go. Christmas lights time.
In Japan,
This is awesome, isn't it, guys? It's the merry and bright nights.
Welcome to our living laboratory, where scientists from Epcot and the U.S. Department of Agriculture are exploring innovative ways to produce bountiful harvests.
So yeah, they
now
definitely should.
and
Don't
into
they
the
play
future.
Christmas music in the other greenhouses, right?
I thought they did, yeah.
Yeah.
The tropics are home to the greatest diversity.
This part was easy for them. Since the whole place is already red, all they had to do was add some green. Starving. Guys, they took away the albino catfish. So sad.
While there are more than 50,000 edible
Uh-oh.
plant species in
Flashing.
the
That
world,
looks like horror
most
movies.
of us are
Not
only
Christmas.
familiar with the handful that make up our everyday diet. The common grains growing here,
I can't smell anything. I'm so
maize,
sick.
sorghum, and millet, plus rice, account for nearly 2/3 of our global food consumption. Learning how to
Beautiful.
increase yields of these staples is an important goal of research around the world.
If anyone thinks this isn't the best ride, then don't watch my videos.
Rudolph and then it.
It's not Rudolph because it's not a red nose.
These
Gosh,
plants are
it gets
definitely
straight.
on their way up.
Oh, they're
Innovative
up?
growing
Jacob, they're
techniques
up?
like these increase
This is
yields
Jacob's favorite
while more
line.
efficiently using resources like water, fertilizer, and pesticides. Another innovation at
Oh my
work
God, look at
is
the
our
things. They have little
integrated
bows
pest
on them.
management program. By populating our greenhouses with beneficial insects that
I know, it's really cold in here. Look, they gave the fishies presents.
the future of agriculture may include innovative ideas like this vertical growing system. Plants grown in this way.
Now we're
use
going
a
into the,
fraction
the
of
Stranger
space
Things tunnel.
required by
It's like the
traditional
exact
growing
colors.
methods. That saves water and increases production. The aquaponics system on your left combines hydroponics with aqua.
Escape of the plants! Oh no! He didn't make it very far, but he blends in with the background. We didn't need to rush. Which is dumb. Okay, Living with the Land usually closes at 7. It doesn't close at 7 now because that'd be dumb, because then like half the night where you can see the lights, it's like closed. So it's open till park closed now. Yeah, so we didn't need to run, but that's okay. We had nothing else that we were gonna do. Super quick night, short. Sorry I did not show any of the merch. Around the countries, they had like holiday merch stands, but it was like merch from like the Magic Kingdom. Like it wasn't like specifically Festival of Holidays merch. So I do apologize that you didn't see any of that. But I'm happy I got to show you the land. And, okay, we almost just got like ran over. And I'm happy we got to show you all those food samples.
Yummy food sample.
So that is it. We're going to make another video. We're going to do something on Wednesday night. So we'll see you then. Happy holidays, everybody.
Happy holidays from Epcot.